So this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Ecobee SmartCamera. This is the company's first video camera. It goes up along the likes of the Nest Cam and all sorts of different smart cameras. It shoots 1080p video with 180-degree field of view. It has voice control via Alexa built in. There's two-way talk. There's 14-day video history, 5 megapixel photos, and yeah. So here's the camera itself. There's a sensor. And these are the 2 points where you can put the mount in. So you could do it like this, and have it like this, and wall mount it. Or you can have it more so like this and just go like that. So here you have quick start guide and whatnot, getting you set up. You get the Ecobee app and that type of stuff. And then here is the power cable and some screws for wall mounting it. So here's the power cable. It seems like it's pretty long. So like so, pretty long in length, and then you just plug it in right here, and then you're good to go. So that's been a quick unboxing of the Ecobee SmartCamera. It's available now from Ecobee's website for around $249 Canadian.